Imagine transforming your health with a simple change in what you put on your plate. We're not talking about medications or extreme diets, just 10 powerful vegetables that can literally help clean your arteries and prevent heart disease. Does it sound too good to be true? But wait, because science is on our side. In this guide, we'll reveal how these super vegetables work in your body, fighting inflammation, reducing bad cholesterol, and even protecting your heart from aging. And it's not just about what you should eat. It's about avoiding the common mistakes many people make every day that are silently shortening their lives. Stay with me until the end, and you'll discover how these simple foods can be the key to a longer and healthier life, especially if you're over 50. Let's get started. Green vegetables, champions for the heart. When it comes to protecting the heart, green vegetables are like true guardians. Spinach, kale, and arugula are just a few examples of superfoods that offer a burst of essential nutrients. And the best part? They are rich in fiber, vitamins A, C, and K, as well as minerals like iron and magnesium, which help reduce the risk of heart disease. These vegetables are also low in carbohydrates, meaning they help control blood sugar, benefiting especially those with type 2 diabetes. Now, you might be wondering, how exactly do they help my heart? The answer lies in their antioxidants and soluble fibers, which work to reduce bad cholesterol and improve artery function. Essentially, they act as a natural shield, fighting inflammation and protecting your blood vessels from plaque buildup. Incorporate these vegetables into fresh salads, smoothies, or light stir-fries to get a concentrated dose of nutrients. If you find raw greens hard to digest, try cooking them lightly. This makes them easier to digest while preserving their nutritional benefits. Cruciferous vegetables, natural defense against inflammation. Have you heard that chronic inflammation is one of your heart's greatest enemies? That's where cruciferous vegetables come in, like broccoli, cauliflower, and cabbage. They are true warriors of nature, packed with compounds called glucosinolates, which have powerful anti-inflammatory properties. These compounds act like tiny protectors of your body, helping to safeguard the lining of your arteries and reduce systemic inflammation, which is a risk factor for heart disease. But that's not all. Studies show that a diet rich in cruciferous vegetables is associated with a lower risk of heart disease and stroke. They help improve endothelial health, the inner layer of blood vessels, and also provide a generous dose of fiber and antioxidants, aiding in cholesterol regulation and toxin elimination. To maximize the benefits of cruciferous vegetables, steam them lightly. This helps release their bioactive compounds without destroying the nutrients. Add a drizzle of olive oil to enhance vitamin absorption and add extra flavor. These vegetables are not only delicious, but also provide a powerful boost to your heart health. Incorporating them into your diet can be a simple yet effective way to support your cardiovascular system. Enjoy the vibrant flavors and reap the long-term health benefits. Hold on. Before we move on, have you ever imagined what it would be like to live with completely clean arteries? These next foods are true heroes for your heart. Debunking popular myths. Vegetables are not miracle cures. Let's be honest. There is no superfood that will automatically clean your arteries or cure heart problems overnight. It's common to see sensational headlines promising miraculous results just from eating certain vegetables. The reality is more complex, and I'm here to clear this up. Vegetables are powerful allies in prevention, but they are not a magical solution. The benefits of vegetables for cardiovascular health come from continuous and integrated action. They help reduce inflammation, improve endothelial function, the inner layer of blood vessels, and regulate cholesterol over time. In other words, they work preventatively, helping to keep your arteries healthy and flexible. But to make a real difference, you need to combine them with a balanced diet and a healthy lifestyle. Think of vegetables as part of a health package. Including them in your meals is essential, but don't forget to cut down on processed foods, sugars, and refined oils. Pair a vegetable-rich diet with regular exercise for real, lasting results. Heart disease prevention, focusing on the real problem. When it comes to cardiovascular health, the real culprit is often not the lack of vegetables in the diet, but the excessive consumption of processed foods, refined sugars, and industrial vegetable oils. These foods are known to increase chronic inflammation in the body, which contributes to insulin resistance and raises the risk of developing heart disease. It's like pouring gasoline on a fire and then trying to put it out with a cup of water. Eating ultra-processed foods can raise bad cholesterol, LDL, and blood pressure, and damage the inner lining of your arteries. This combination creates the perfect environment for the development of arterial plaques and blockages, which are the leading causes of heart attacks and strokes. So, while vegetables are important, the key lies in cutting out harmful foods and replacing them with healthier, natural choices. Minimize your intake of processed foods and start preparing your meals at home using fresh ingredients. Try swapping out refined oils, such as soybean oil, for healthier options like extra virgin olive oil or avocado oil to protect your heart. Now, think quickly. Do you know which hidden nutrients in vegetables are literally defending your arteries? The answer might surprise you. Special nutrients in vegetables, beyond just vitamins and minerals. Vegetables are true health packages, and their value goes beyond the well-known vitamins and minerals. They contain fibers and phytochemicals, natural compounds with essential antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties for heart health. Think of phytochemicals as hidden defenders, protecting your body against oxidative stress, while the fibers help regulate cholesterol and keep your gut healthy. Soluble fibers found in vegetables like carrots, beets, and zucchini bind to cholesterol in the intestine and help eliminate it before it can be absorbed by the body. This, in turn, lowers bad cholesterol, LDL, and improves artery health. Additionally, the antioxidants in these foods combat free radicals, preventing cellular damage and inflammation that can lead to heart disease. Diversify your vegetable choices to get a wide range of phytochemicals and fibers. Include carrots, beets, spinach, and bell peppers in your meals to ensure different colors and nutrients. Try adding raw veggies to salads or making nutritious soups and smoothies for a heart-healthy boost. The importance of a diverse microbiome for heart health. Did you know that the gut is often called the second brain? And it's not by chance. The gut microbiome, the collection of trillions of bacteria living in our digestive system, plays a crucial role in almost every function of the body, including cardiovascular health. Consuming a variety of vegetables helps nourish these beneficial bacteria, which in turn influence processes like digestion, metabolism, and inflammation. A healthy and diverse microbiome produces compounds called short-chain fatty acids, SCFAs, which help reduce systemic inflammation and improve arterial function. When the gut is out of balance, which can happen due to a low-fiber, processed food diet, inflammation increases, putting your heart at risk. In other words, taking care of your gut is one of the most powerful ways to protect your heart. Diversify your vegetable choices each week. Include different types of leafy greens, roots, and legumes like broccoli, carrots, artichokes, and spinach. Also, try adding fermented foods like sauerkraut and kefir, which help strengthen the microbiome and support gut health. Speaking of smart choices, if you follow a keto diet, these next vegetables are a must to keep your heart and body in balance. Ideal choices for keto diets: low-carb vegetables. If you're following a ketogenic diet, choosing the right vegetables is key to maintaining ketosis while ensuring your body gets all the necessary nutrients. Vegetables like mushrooms, asparagus, avocado, and even coconut are perfect for this type of diet. They are low in carbohydrates and rich in fiber and healthy fats, helping to maintain satiety and support gut health without compromising ketosis. Mushrooms, for instance, are an excellent source of antioxidants and have anti-inflammatory properties, while avocado provides a generous dose of monounsaturated fats that help protect the heart. Asparagus is rich in vitamin K, essential for bone and heart health. These vegetables help supply the micronutrients often lacking in a ketogenic diet, balancing electrolyte levels and reducing the risk of deficiencies. Incorporate low-carb vegetables into your daily meals. Make sautéed mushrooms in olive oil, prepare avocado salads with lime and salt, or grill asparagus with a touch of garlic for a delicious and healthy side dish. Now, be careful. There are some vegetables that, instead of helping, might actually be harming your health. Want to know which ones? Be cautious with lectin-rich vegetables, sensitivity, and inflammation. You've probably heard that vegetables are always beneficial for your health. But what if I told you that some of them could cause issues for certain people? Vegetables like tomatoes, bell peppers, and eggplants contain proteins called lectins, which can trigger adverse reactions in sensitive individuals, especially those with gut issues or autoimmune diseases. Lectins are a natural defense of plants, but for us, They can increase intestinal permeability and contribute to inflammation. This doesn't mean you should completely avoid these vegetables, but it's important to understand how your body reacts to them. Some people report symptoms like bloating, abdominal pain, or digestive discomfort after consuming foods high in lectins. If this is the case for you, there are ways to reduce the impact of these proteins. Cook lectin-rich vegetables thoroughly to minimize their negative effects. Removing the skin and seeds can also help reduce the amount of lectins. Another option is to ferment them, as in the case of pickled bell peppers. Try different preparation methods and pay attention to how your body responds. Adjusting your intake is needed. Simple vegetables, big impact on health. It's amazing how these simple vegetables can make such a big difference in your health, isn't it? Now that you know which foods to add to your diet to protect your heart and clean your arteries, it's time to think about other habits that might be sabotaging your health. Often, what we do daily without even realizing it is harming vital organs like the kidneys. In the next video, we will reveal 9 signs that your daily habits are harming your kidneys and what you can do to fix it right away. Don't miss it.